Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second and last Sudoku puzzle for today, a heavy Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a lot of fives. So let's begin with the 5, of course. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, in this row, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 6, 8, and 4. 6, 8, and 4. I see here 6 and 4. That means this one digit left is the 8. Here should be the 8. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 here. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then yes, in this big square, one of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. I see there 4, so no 4 in this box. The only two places for 4 is here or there. So I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. But in this row, we have a 4 here. In the row below, we have a 4 here. So in this row, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then let me see. Then the 3, 8, and yes, a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then 3, the 7, the 6. Yes, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see there 6, so no 6 here. I see here a 6, so no 6 there. One box remains for the 6. Should be here. Then the other 3 digits are 7, 8, and 9. I see here 7, so no 7 there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. 8 and 9, 8 and 9 are left. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 3 and 7, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 9, 3, no, yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 3, 1, 1, Can I do something with 1 and 8 and 3? Alright. We have a pair here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 8, 2 and 7. I see here 2 and 7. So no 2 and 7 in these 2 boxes. That means the 2 and 7 should be here or there. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here we have 1 and 8 left for this big square. 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 digits left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 digit left for this column for the number 4. 1 digit left for the middle column for the number 1. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for 1 is here, here or there, but I see here already a 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. Then 3, 6. Yes, in this row, the third row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6 and 8. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see there 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 6 and 8, 6 and 8 are left. I see here already an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in the first row column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then 2 numbers left for the third column. The numbers are 3 and 9. I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 3 and 8. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left for the first column. The numbers are 2 and 4. I see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Then 7 and 4. Then 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8 and 3. But in this column, 3 numbers, 3 digits are left. The missing numbers are 3, 8, and 7. 3, 8, and 7. I see here 3 and 8, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 1 digit is left, the number 7. So here we have a pair 3 and 8, 3 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 3. Then yes, the first row, the 3 missing numbers are 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6 are missing in the first row. 2, 4, and 6. I see here 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 1 digit left is the number 6. So here we have 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 7. Then 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. Then an 8 in this column and 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then 2 numbers left for the middle row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there. And the 9 goes there. 1 digit left for the big square. For this big square is number 9. And the final 2 numbers for this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So we finish this in 14 minutes. Alright, people. Let me say, this heavy was not heavy enough, because the previous Sudoku, I think we took more time than this one. So actually this was a light one, and the previous one should be a heavy one. Anyway, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you want, or if you like. Otherwise, download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. And thank you for watching. And I will see you on Saturday tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye.